Tricep. For tricep. Ayan guys, may heart yung tricep ko. Dahil po ang mentality ko, ang self-value ko, yung mga principles ko sa buhay, na walang easy money. Kung may bibigay man ng tulong for free, kahit nakakaya sa akin, tatanggapin ko yon. But I do not accept indecent proposals, something negative or not good in return. I am naturally born being a talkative person. Isa to sa hindi ko maiwasan sa sarili ko. I am not quiet, but I am a talkative person po. Napakadaldal ko, especially kung maging close nyo ako. I-open ko yan minsan yung buhay ko, life experience. I love to talk about life experience. I want to talk about things na may benefit or merong mga value. Meron kang lesson na matututunan, mapupulot. So that's what I love to talk about God, or about fitness, about life lesson, about experience. Yan. Tricep. For tricep. Ayan guys, may heart yung tricep ko. Heart, puro striations. Yung arms yan, triceps, shoulders, yung traps. Ayan po is hard work po yan.